Good afternoon from beautiful, sunny San Diego, California. It's really a nice day here today. As you can see, the temperature is 81 degrees here, and it's a nice kind of a feeling 81 degrees because we're not too far from the beach here. I wanted to show you as I have installed this stuff, the PID and the OPV on my Gaggia Classic Pro. I wanted to show you a little bit about how it's performing. So I bought this pressure portafilter for this unit, so I could test to see what it was doing before and what it's doing now. And unfortunately, I did not tape it or video it before, so I'm sorry about that. But I will show you here. We'll fire it up and I'll show you. This thing is a little bit hard to see, this gauge, because it's so small on video. I want to show you the 10 bar is right about here. So anyway, you'll see when I fire it up here what it's doing now. As you can see, it goes right up to just under the 10 on there. Sorry about that. And then you can see the three-way valve is doing its job. It's spitting out there. Then I'll get to this the PID that I installed. When you set it up, they recommend you set it at 199, and that's what I got it set at. And so it when the sensor senses that the water is at 199, and this is actually attached to the boiler, but it has an offset of 14 degrees, and because that's what they found in their tests, that the water actually is 14 degrees cooler than what the boiler is. So we'll take a look. Well, anyway, you can see that. I won't do it for now, but you can see it going up and down, and it gets to 199, and then it shuts off. You can't really see that, but it's going down now because it's shut off. And then when it gets to 199, it'll start heating up again, and so it goes up to about 208, then back down to 199. So that's the range that it works on, and which is a lot better than it was doing without the PID before. And I've also added one of the things I added to this thing. One of the things about the Gaggia Classic. Sorry, I didn't mean to put that right in your nose. One of the things about the Gaggia Classic is there's not a lot of room here for your scale and your cup. If I had a regular portafilter on there, you'd see a little better. So I added this lower drip tray, and which comes with a little longer stem where the water shoots out of the three-way valve like it's supposed to, like it just did a minute ago. And now it's lower, and I can put my time more scale in there and put my cup on top and etc. So anyway, that's the stuff that I've added to this machine, and the installation was for me because of my handicaps, etc. Was tough for me because my eyesight's not that good right now, and my shoulders and hands don't work too good. But I'm very happy about the way it turned out, and it was a very satisfying project, even though it's a bit aggravating at times. But it's done, and I'm very happy with the way it comes out. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and the next video will be actually pulling a shot with some coffee and also showing you the steam pressure on how it's doing. Okay, see you next time.